Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the admission process of IITs for MBA program has started. The application forms for IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay and IIT Kharagpur are out. So with this video we will discuss about these three colleges, what is the eligibility criteria, what are the percentile required on the basis of which you can apply for these colleges, what about the fees for the 2 years of program and what about the placement. That everything we will discuss in this video. Coming to the very first college is IIT Delhi. So IIT Delhi is the best college for engineering, but in terms of MBA also it is one of the good business school you can consider with. IIT Delhi का जो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज है वो MBA कंडक्ट कराता है. If we consider the eligibility criteria for IIT Delhi, then you must have graduation. So if your background is from non-engineering also, then also you are eligible to apply for this college. There is one more criteria. If you belong to general category, then you must have 60% or more marks in your graduation. And if you are from the reserved category, then you have the 5% relaxation in your marks. Now coming to the fee structure for IIT Delhi. So the application fees for one program is 1600 for the general, EWS and OBC category. And if you want to apply for two programs, then the fee structure will be 3200 rupees. And if we consider the reserved category, that is SC ST, then for one program the fees is 800 rupees and for the two programs the application fees is 1600 rupees. So here if you want to apply for the IIT Delhi, you need to visit the website, that is dms.iitd.ac.in, and after visiting the website you need to fill up the application form. You need to upload the various documents like your passport size photograph, your signature and your CAT scorecard of 2023. And after shortlisting you need to upload the various documents like 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, graduation mark sheet of all semester, then consolidated graduation mark sheet, graduate degree certificate, CGPA to percentage conversion certificate, reserved category certificate, then disability certificate, work experience proof, photo ID proof and achievement documents. If we consider the fee structure for IIT Delhi, then it is nearly up to 11.20 lakhs for the general, OBC and EWS category. Whereas for SC, ST and PWD category, there is a relaxation in the tuition fees. So the application form for IIT Delhi has already been started and the last date of online application form is 31st January 2024. And most probably the personal interview will conduct in between 11 to 14th March 2024 and the declaration of the result will be in the first week of May. If we talk about the placements for IIT Delhi, then the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 41.13 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 25.82 lakhs per annum. And the median salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 24.45 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters of IIT Delhi, then those are Accenture, Amazon, Adani, EXL, IBM, Capgemini, Dell, Jindal Steel Power and Barclays. Next college is IIT Kharagpur. So this is the another good option you can consider with. If we consider the eligibility criteria for IIT Kharagpur, then you must have the graduation of 4 years in this stream like engineering, technology and pharmacy. Or if you have a master's in the science, commerce and economics, then also you are eligible to apply for this college. Then there is one more criteria. In the graduation, you must have 60% or more marks for the general category. And if you are from the reserved category, then there is a 5% relaxation for the reservation category students. If we consider the selection process for IIT Kharagpur, then IIT Kharagpur has set up the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff according to the category. So for general and EWS category, you should have 90 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For OBC, you should have 81 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For SC, ST and PWD, you should have 60 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. And if we consider the final selection, then in that 20% weightage is given to your application rating, then 40% weightage is given to your CAT score, that is 20% weightage to the VRC section, 10% weightage to the DILR section and 10% weightage to the quantitative ability section. Then 40% weightage is given to the personal interview. So if you want to apply for the IIT Kharagpur, then you need to visit their website and you can start the application. So if you consider the registration fees, then for general and NCOBC it is 1600 rupees and for SC, ST and PWD candidates it is 800 rupees. Now coming to the important dates for the IIT Kharagpur. So the online application form has already been started. the last date of online application form is 5th of February 2024. So there will be a correction window in between 6th of February to 8th of February, and the online personal interview is scheduled in 3 slots. Like the first slot will be from 2nd March to 4th of March, second slot will be from 9th March to 11th March, and third slot will be from 22nd March to 24th March. And the declaration of admission results will be from 1st of May to 5th of May 2024. So if we consider the overall fee structure for the IIT Kharagpur, that is nearly up to 11 to 12 lakhs rupees. And if we talk about the placement, then the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 43.37 lakhs. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 22.13 lakhs per annum, and the median salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 21.04 lakhs per annum. So there are the top 10% candidates who get the average salary package of 31.55 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates get the average salary package of 27.78 lakhs per annum. Top 50% candidates get the average salary package of 24.66 lakhs per annum, and the lowest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 13.60 lakhs per annum. The top recruiters of IIT Kharagpur are Accenture, Amazon, Deloitte, EXL, GSK, IBM, ICICI Bank, Mahindra, Paytm, PwC, Wipro, and there are so many companies. Next college is IIT Bombay. So IIT Bombay is also one of the good option you can consider with if you want to complete your MBA. So if we consider the eligibility criteria for IIT Bombay, then you must have completed your 4 years of graduation with minimum 60% marks for general category. And for the reserved category, there is a 5% of relaxation is given. So IIT Bombay has also set up the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff according to the category for shortlisting of the PI round. So for general category, it is 75 percentile with the quantitative ability, VRC and DLR section, and overall you should have 90 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For NCOBC, it is 67.5 percentile with the quantitative ability, VRC and DLR section, and overall you should have 81 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For SC, ST and PWD category, it is 50 percentile with the quantitative ability, VRC and DLR section, and overall you should have 60 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. And if we consider the final selection, then in that 70% weightage is given to your performance in CAT 2023, that is your CAT score. Then your academic profile will have some percentage, like your 12th marks will have 5% weightage, 5% weightage is given to your graduation, 10% weightage is given to the gender diversity, 5% weightage is given to the postgraduate professional, and 5% weightage is given to the work experience. The fee structure for IIT Bombay is nearly up to 12 lakhs, and if you are from the reserved category, then you need not to pay the tuition fees. You have the relaxation in the tuition fees in the IITs. And if we consider about the placements, then the highest salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 54 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 28.88 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college is nearly up to 26.64 lakhs per annum, and the lowest salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 20 lakhs per annum. If we consider the top recruiters of IIT Bombay, then those are Accenture Strategy, Deloitte, IBM, PwC, DBS, ICICI Bank, JP Morgan, S Bank, and there are so many companies. Now coming to the important dates for IIT Bombay. So the application has already been started from 2nd January 2024, and the last date of application is 31st of January. So if you want to apply for IIT Bombay, you need to visit their website. So here the overall process is given for the application, so you can follow for this process. So this is all about these 3 colleges. For IIT Delhi, the last date of application is 31st of January. For IIT Kharagpur, the last date of application is 5th of February. And for IIT Bombay, the last date of application is 31st of January. So if you want to apply for the colleges, you can apply according to the deadline. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.